just about to taxi onto the runway. Air Canada 787 Dreamliner -9 Melbourne to Vancouver. A long, slow taxi. My first time on a Dreamliner and with Air Canada as well. Love those engines. Not too sure which one. I'm sorry, I got this. On runway 34. Looks like you have the clearance to roll straight away. No holding short. And we're rolling. Virgin Australia. Malaysian Scoot. Tiger. About V1, I think. That's it. And we're oh, that's so cool. Climbing out of the Melbourne. A beautiful day in Melbourne. First meal service starts like an hour or so in the flight, or a bit over an hour. So got a bread roll, like a tabbouleh salad or whatever that is, a brownie, and the chicken dish, which sounds yum. but it's all about the taste. I hope it tastes better than the bloody. Okay, the in-flight entertainment. Now let's see what sort of movies are available. Honey pepper chicken with pasta and mixed vegetables. Company else I work with. Sorry.
You're sitting in the seat that we catch all the time, so I apologize for now. So you want to listen to this? You haven't got your. You want to use these for now? Yeah. Okay. Let me try. I have something after the meal.
Well, the meal smell is good.
Chicken stripes.
Want chicken or meat?
Well, I'll go with that chicken, thanks.
Chicken.
Yeah, time for beef.
Thank you. You're welcome. Chicken or beef?
Huh?
Just better beef than chicken.
Chicken or beef?
I'll go with chicken too.
It's been a little bumpy for a few minutes. Engine is going to. Well, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video of the wing flex. Just went through a bit of turbulence, and still a bit of turbulence. There's it over. Okay, well, breakfast. It feels odd having brekkie at like 11 o'clock when you're in Melbourne. So got like a omelette, hash brown, a sausage, some spinach, another crab. So and a pastry, fruit, and that's it. So hopefully it's yum. We're coming towards the end of our long flight from Melbourne to Vancouver, and been flying in total darkness from most of it. So, and have had a gorgeous sunrise. We're like 80 odd minutes from Vancouver, and it's a surprising thing that considering it's like 11 PM back home in Melbourne. I'm like wide awake and only like 4 4 hours of sleep in the past 24 hours. I'm totally wide awake. And we'll have a 3-hour wait at Vancouver for a connecting flight to Seattle, which will be good fun. Just doing bugger all. Yeah. Just love those gorgeous oranges there. Absolutely amazing. Almost there. A cool feature which I forgot to point out about the Dreamliner is the electronic window dimmers. Here to do that, it dims all the windows. A few minutes away from the landing, I think. I can see the runway. Oh, there's a runway there. Seconds from touchdown. If I can see if I can get the reverse thruster. There goes the reverse thruster.
Welcome to Vancouver. The local time is now 7:42. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. Mobile receiving and transmitting functions may now be used. If you are connecting on any Air Canada flights today, you do not need to pick up your checked baggage unless you were advised to do so at check-in in Melbourne or by Canada Customs. For gate information, please refer to the screens inside the terminal or consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. When you are continuing on another domestic flight,